Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this fashion designer outfit and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and then I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle, this one, and also this one. And then you're going to color it blonde with this color code and you're going to put on the sunglass. And then let's move to the next area. I'm going to go to the this area. I'm going to select this top and I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, for the first section, color it with the red color and also for the next selection. And then we're going to select this mesh and we're going to make it thick. Okay, and choose this gloves and you're going to remove the fur and apply this pattern. Okay, and the next one guys, I'm going to select this heel, this one, and I'm going to color it with the red color. For the first selection, sorry, I'm going to make it black, and for the next selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, for the last selection, I'm just going to make it black. Okay, it's done, and then I'm going to go to this area. I'm going to select this belt and I'm going to make it this color. Make this brown color for the first and also the second selection. And I'm going to choose this item and I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area and I'm going to choose this item. I'm going to make it a denim. Alright, and then I'm going to select this bag. I'm going to color it with this color for the first section. For the next section, just leave it like that. And I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to make it on right hand. Okay, and I'm going to go to this area and select this hat. And I'm going to make it this color. And then I'm going to go to the changing room. I'm going to choose this skirt. I'm going to make it this color, this red color. And I'm going to choose this skirt as well. I'm going to make it this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!